Good morning and welcome to Cycle on MNB World, your go-to source for the latest insights into the economic and financial landscape of Mongolia. I'm your host, Batsirin Namshar, and we have a packed edition ahead filled with crucial updates and analysis. In today's review, we'll be delving into the dynamic world of Mongolia's economy and business, exploring latest trends and outlooks. Mongolia has kicked off 2024 with robust international trade, engaging with a record 128 countries and achieving significant foreign trade turnover of $6.1 billion in the first quarter. Details as follows.
According to official reports, the country's exports totaled $3.7 billion, while imports stood at $2.4 billion, resulting in a favorable trade balance of $1.2 billion. Mongolia's foreign exchange reserves soared to $5.25 billion, indicating a healthy economic position. Despite the overall positive performance, exports experienced a slight dip compared to the same period last year. The decrease of $107.5 million was primarily attributed to declines in key export commodities. Zinc, ore, and concentrates saw a decrease of $74.4 million, followed by coal dropping by $38.7 million. Horse meat exports dipped by $32.6 million, while canned meat products experienced a decline of $31.6 million. While these decreases may present challenges, Mongolia's diversified trade portfolio and substantial foreign exchange reserves position the country well to navigate fluctuations in the global market. As the year progresses, stakeholders will closely monitor trade dynamics to capitalize on emerging opportunities and address potential challenges.
The price of copper has reached $9,000 per ton, marking 20% growth and reaching its peak in the last 14 months. This surge comes amid a steady rise in global market demand for copper following industrial sector growth.
Copper is a cornerstone of Mongolia's economic landscape, accounting for 27% of the nation's gross domestic product. Copper extraction and production form an integral part of Mongolia's economic engine. Copper also plays a vital role in Mongolia's international trade, as mineral resources represent a 92% share of the country's export revenue. Mongolia's mineral resource reserves have attracted a significant influx of foreign investment, with copper projects accounting for 77% of the country's total foreign investment. Economists believe the growth in copper prices will have a positive impact on the Mongolian economy.
With the growth in copper prices, the price of Oyu-Tolgoi copper concentrate is expected to rise, leading to increased income tax revenue from the Oyu-Tolgoi mine. Additionally, copper industry suppliers are poised to benefit from this upward trend.
Mongolia's substantial reserve of copper is estimated at 56.5 million tons, with 1.5 million tons of copper concentrate exported annually. Plans for 2024 and 2025 include an increase in copper concentrate exports to around 2 million tons. Economists expect this positive trend to continue, signaling promising prospects for Mongolia's copper industry. We anticipate the upward trajectory in copper prices will be sustained over a more extended period in comparison to coal. While the surge in coal prices may be temporary, the positive momentum in copper presents Mongolia with a unique opportunity to capitalize on current market trends. This presents Mongolia with a crucial window to maximize copper exports and build foreign currency reserves. These reserves can then be channeled into financing other sectors, fostering economic diversification and resilience. According to recent forecasts by Wood Mackenzie, a leading energy, metals, and mining research and consultancy firm, the global demand for copper is poised to surpass its supply, as early as 2026. Projections indicate a growing gap between demand and supply, reaching a deficit of up to 7 million tons by 2031.
In a shift toward environmental sustainability, mining companies are increasingly recognizing the crucial role of reforestation and tree planting initiatives in their corporate responsibility agendas. One standout leader in the movement is Erdnut Mining Corporation, with its goal to plant over 100 million trees.
Understanding the importance of forests in combating climate change, preserving biodiversity, and promoting ecological balance, Erdnut Mining Corporation has embarked on an ambitious journey to offset its environmental impact through proactive reforestation efforts. Closely collaborating with communities, environmental organizations, and governmental agencies, Erdnut Mining Corporation has allocated significant resources to reclaiming degraded lands, restoring ecosystems, and promoting sustainable forestry practices in areas affected by its mining operations. Erdnut Mining Corporation has achieved significant milestones in reforestation, having planted 3.4 million trees and storing an additional 500,000 trees seedlings, enhancing its resources for future initiatives. The introduction of an automated tree nursery promises increased efficiency and effectiveness in the tree planting process. In a commendable demonstration of environmental stewardship, Erdnut Mining Corporation is actively participating in the 1 Billion Trees campaign, contributing to global conservation efforts and setting a positive example for the industry.
With every tree we plant, we take a proactive step toward mitigating the impacts of climate change by reducing carbon dioxide emissions.
The benefits of Erdnut Mining Corporation's reforestation and tree planting initiatives extend beyond ecological restoration. By investing in reforestation, the company aims to mitigate carbon emissions, enhance ecosystem services, and create economic opportunities for area residents. After reaching the goal of planting 100 million trees, the company plans to continue its tree planting efforts. To do so, it established the Forest Genetic Reserve Center and the Soil Innovation Technology Center, which currently houses seeds for 12 different tree species.
The company's ambitious plan for reforestation efforts is unfolding in 3 stages. In the first stage, an annual capacity incubation center will be established, with the capability to nurture 12 million seedlings annually. Moving into the second stage, slated for 2025 to 2028, the scope of operations will expand. Finally, in the third stage, from 2028 to 2030, the focus will shift to planting trees in the Hanggai and Gobi regions, crucial steps toward ecological restoration and biodiversity conservation. Each tree has its own unique habitat and environmental requirements. From the lush forests of the Hanggai Mountains to the arid expanses of the Gobi, each species thrives in its own unique environment. We are working to grow trees that can survive and adapt to their respective environment.
By integrating reforestation and tree planting into its corporate strategy, Erdnut Mining Corporation sets a compelling example for the mining industry, demonstrating that environmental conservation and profitable mining operations are not mutually exclusive.
We appreciate you joining us today for an in-depth look into Mongolia's economic landscape. Stay informed, stay engaged, and remember to tune in for our next insightful exploration. Thank you for being with us. Until next time, goodbye and have a great day.